Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery draining too fast on your Galaxy S26. So we all know that the Galaxy S26 got only 4300 milliampere hours. So to optimize the battery even more, what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. Now we're going to scroll a bit down until we see the battery, and here in the battery we're going to check the battery usage. This is the first thing we're going to do. Let's go view details and let's select the app that's using a lot of the battery. Here we got the camera first, and we want to click background usage limits and put the app to sleep. Now on some apps, what you guys can do is simply put the app into the deep sleep, but as you guys can see, it's pretty much hard finding this app because this phone is freshly set up. It has literally nothing installed on it, so there will be no apps like that. But if you go over to power saving, for an example, make sure that you enable it. Then what you guys can do is simply go to the gear icon. You don't need to limit your CPU speed. You guys do not need to turn on the dark mode. You guys can set it up like this, and you can also set the motion smoothness disabled, because it's very important that you still keep those 120 hertz. Now here we have the background usage limits, and we can go to deep sleeping apps and add an app that will deep sleep, so it will not run in the background. As you guys can see, it's that simple. You just add an app here, and this will prevent the apps from draining power from the background. Now what you guys can also do is make sure that you have battery protection set at maximum and that your settings look like this. So you guys can copy them, and this should definitely help you fix your battery drain. But if not, then go over and scroll a bit down until you guys see software update, and here you guys can check for updates, because it might be a software glitch that your battery is being drained too much. So my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, because you don't want to be around old glitches on the previous software versions. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.